Introducing Alchemy Horcrux, a unique compound that is part coating, part paint pigment, and part abrasive solution to the inevitable stone chipping and sandblasting that occurs from ordinary daily driving duties. Horcrux is best used in a professional environment to ensure highest quality results, but a competent enthusiast who has experience with machine polishing should have no trouble using the product provided they follow our guidelines. Horcrux will fill in and level out paint chipping with no smears, blobs, or poor texture, while also preparing the surface for water-based spray coatings or solvent-based ceramic coatings to improve its durability. Sign up to the Alchemy Academy for a full tutorial on the inner workings of Horcrux and how to effect high-quality paint chip repairs on yours or your customers' vehicles.